My name is Jerome Hatfield. I'm a 15-year veteran of the New Jersey Office of Emergency Management, where I preside as the Deputy State Director. I'm here to introduce the NSI training to emergency management professionals throughout the nation. 9/11 impacted emergency management for this very simple reason. By and large, prior to 9/11, emergency managers were perceived as planners for natural disasters. In a post-9/11 era, what we truly understand is that man-made disasters and natural disasters are one and the same, in that we collectively have to plan for the efforts that would unfold in terrorist activities, as well as efforts that would unfold in natural disasters. And so I would say that Homeland Security and emergency management are one and the same, in that you could be planning for man-made or natural disasters at any given point or simultaneously. I think emergency managers are invaluable. They're invaluable because they know the vulnerabilities. They've done hazard analysis in communities throughout the entire country. And as such, they know what fits and what doesn't fit in the environments in which they're responsible for. And so it's imperative that they take a look at this training and play the role that they can play dynamically as professionals responsible for not public safety but also security in communities throughout the nation as emergency management professionals. And so we should really be focusing on behavior and not necessarily the types of people that are conducting said behaviors. And so the training is going to allow us to actually focus in on those tangibles that will allow us to actually pay attention to the things that are very important when we start taking a look at suspicious activity. The abnormal behaviors that you will address in your training are specific to acts of crime or even potential acts undertaken in terrorist activities. And so those specific behaviors that we're talking about will be clearly defined and articulated in the training that you're about to see. It was once said that the nation won't be prepared until our neighborhoods are prepared. Emergency management coordinators throughout the nation prepare neighborhoods for disasters, crises, and terrorist activities. And as such, we must be diligent and professional about how we identify suspicious activity. And so we need to use our trained and learned experiences, take a look at the video, and further understand the nexus to the reporting of suspicious activity to make sure that we are doing the right thing for the right reasons. And so we thank you so much for all you do. And as a result of that, our nation is target hardened and protected with interests from the local level up to the federal level that allow us to actually be steadfast in our ability to secure our threats and vulnerabilities as they see them through your watchful eye. And so again, this tape will be specific to what it is that you do, incorporating the protective measures that allow us to all report suspicious activities so they can be vetted by law enforcement.